can hear you.
Okay, good. All right, so I'm on 2 different computers because glorious news, SPS is still not working on my computer.
What?
No, yeah, I know.
Working again?
Yeah, the licensing is wrong. Something's wrong with the licensing. I don't know.
Oh my gosh, how annoying.
Yeah, I kind of want to kill someone, but
You're like, can I just like not have to deal with this anymore? We're like halfway through the semester already.
basically, yeah. I'm like, kind of done with this crap, but you know.
That is so irritating. Oh, let me pull up my prep assignment so we can actually like.
All right,
Okay.
so there's a possibility that we may not finish this all tonight because you have your group meeting at 8, right?
Yes.
I also have a group meeting at 8.
Oh, good. So it's not just me then. Okay.
It's not just you. So we might, and I don't know if I can do it Friday either because Friday I work late and I'm going to be in IF. So.
Well, maybe we should just do this. We can just get through as much as we can. And then, because Saturday's kind of busy for me because I'm like, my son has a birthday party, and then we have the house inspector coming, so I don't know if I'm going to be like, home on the internet, you know what I mean? And I don't know how long the inspection's going to take.
Yeah.
So.
Do we want to, I don't know if this is allowed, so if this isn't allowed, I just didn't know. But should we take the quiz first and then do part 2, or does that matter? Or is it just for our benefit? Like, maybe we could just try to work through the quiz.
Yeah, but maybe we should just try to work through the quiz, so, you know, we can, so that we can try and figure out, just get as much done as we possibly can.
Yeah.
And then, I mean, because I feel like the prep assignment is more for our benefit.
I think so too. That's kind of the feeling that I got. So.
And I went through the prep assignment and kind of did what I, you know, kind of figured what I could out, and you know.
Yeah.
I feel like I don't know if I necessarily get the concepts, but I kind of feel like I know what to plug in, and.
I think I understand the formulas. I've recently just understood the concept that the difference between the t distribution and normal distribution is that t distribution, you don't have the sigma, you just have the sample. So that was very helpful to understand.
Did you watch any of the videos or anything?
No, I have not. I had so much to do today.
I watched the supplementary videos, but I didn't get to watch like the group meeting yet, so I don't know if he offered any help in that.
Okay.
So, and I kind of feel guilty because I like, there's just always, I feel like I'm always busy.
I feel like we're both always busy. So, I mean, it's like neither one of us is like, oh man, my partner, she's always busy. We're both like, oh man, we're busy people.
Yeah, there's always something going on. So
I'd rather be busy than, you know, like slacking off. So.
That's true. Well, it's like, I would love to be able to dedicate more time to the class, but I just,
me too.
There's just too much stuff going on.
Yeah.
So,
all right.
I think that we just try to do the test, the quiz, get through as much as we can, and then call it good. So I looked at the group quiz a little bit.
All right. I haven't, but I'm looking at it now.
I opened it earlier today to kind of gauge to see if I was even prepared enough to be able to do this meeting with you, because I always feel like I'm the one that's under prepared. So.
No, girl, it's me.
I don't think so.
Appreciate that though.
So, okay.
All right, so question 3.
Question 3, yeah.
In previous lessons, we have assumed the population standard deviation, sigma, was known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about sigma. What has changed? We just assume it's unknown, right?
That's what I thought. That was like mine. I'm like, is that the whole point of the lesson, right?
Yeah, that was basically what it is. We don't know what it is. We used to assume that, but now we don't.
Right. Exactly. Okay, good. So I'm glad we agree on that. So it's kind of like, seemed too easy. I was like, did I miss something?
Yeah, whenever it's too easy, I'm always worried that I've screwed up somehow.
Yeah, exactly. Me too.
So it's never easy. So when it is, be worried.
Especially in math, right? It's not.
Yeah.
So then for number 4, it says the null hypothesis is mu equals 8. The alternative hypothesis is mu is greater than 8, and the population standard deviation is not known. So Becca collects a sample size n equals 9 and computes x bar equals 11 and s equals 6. So this is what I was like, do we plug it into that p-value equation? Since we don't know the
Because it said it said we don't know the sigma, so we do use the t distribution formula, right?
That's what I thought. So that's what I plugged it into.
You've already done it?
I did that one. That's one of the ones I did get to do before.
So then did you say the sigma is not known? So
Yeah,
it would be no?
Yeah,
Okay.
I said no on that one.
Because they're like, the standard deviation is not known. Is it known? So I'm like, okay.
Well, I don't think it is because we just said no, it's not.
You just said it's not. Are you trying to confuse us?
Question.
So rude. All right, so I'm gonna do it real fast because you've already done it.
I plugged in 11 minus 8 over 6 divided by the square root of 9. Is that what?
Oh crap! Hang on. I lost my. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right. So yeah. So the x is 11. Maybe. Where did it go? There it is. Okay. So x minus 8 divided by the sample, which is 9 divided by.
You guys have clean checks today or something?
No, we have a cat.
Oh, you guys have a cat?
Yes. Crap, hang on, I messed up. So it wouldn't be 9, it would be 6. This would be 9. There we go. All right, did you get 10.56?
I got 1.5.
1.5. Okay, so we do 11 minus, and the mu is 8, right?
So 11 minus 8.
Divided by the sample, or not the sample, the S is 6.
Yes.
And you divide that by
the square root of 9.
The square root of 9. I still got 10.5. Why does this always happen?
11 minus 8.
11 minus 8
equals
3 divided by 6.
Divided by the square root of 3.
6 divided by the square root of 9.
Weird.
Oh, I got 0.1. 0.167. Okay.
Because what it would end up being is, so like if you just did it by hand, 11 minus 8 is 3.
Yeah.
And 6 divided by 6 over 3 is 1.5.
Mm-hmm.
So it would be 3 divided, 3 divided by 2.
Where did you get the 2?
So 6 divided by the square root of 9 is 6 divided by 3, so that's 2.
Oh.
So it'd be 3 over 2. So 3 divided by 2 is 1.5.
Yeah.
Unless I'm doing something wrong.
11 minus 8 divided by S, which is 6, divided by square root of 9. Okay, I'm going to read you exactly what I have so that I'm not crazy. 11 minus 8 divided by 6 divided by the square root of 9. Right?
Say it again.
11 minus 8 divided by 6 divided by the square root of 9.
Yes. Do you have parentheses around the 6 divided by the square root of 9?
I don't. Maybe that would change things.
Yeah, that would change.
Okay, so the parentheses need to go around the 9, or the 6.
Around the
divided
6
by
9, yeah.
6 divided by square root of 9. Okay. That would not be correct. 6.
Cameron.
Mm. 11 minus 8. What did you get?
1.5.
I got 7. It gets worse every time. 6.
Where did 7 come from?
I wish I knew, but I don't. Still got 7. Maybe something's wrong with this calculator. I'm gonna try it on my phone. I don't know why that would make any difference, but let's just try it. 11 minus 8 divided by 6 divided by square root 9. Uh-huh. Nope, I'm still getting 10.
That is so weird.
It's very weird. Why do I always get something different than you? 1 second, Sherry. I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right. To resist the urge to think I'm crazy, I grabbed a good calculator. See if this makes a difference. 11 minus 8
Somebody else like asked me
divided by
something
6
right now.
divided by square root of 9. 11 minus 8 divided by 6 divided by square root of 9. That's good. Okay.
Watch is okay. I'm okay now.
See, I told you you'd be just fine.
Yeah, but it didn't seem so.
Oh man, Shri, I am not getting the same answer as you. Okay, read me exactly what you have, parentheses and everything.
Okay. So when I plug it in,
Perfectly.
I put in
You think because
I
if you
do
don't
11 minus 8 equals, and then I get 3.
midnight.
Okay, I get that too.
And then I do divided by, and then I put a parenthesis, 6 divided by square root 9 parenthesis.
1.5.
You got it?
Yep. Okay, so apparently I just have to break it down step by step and use parentheses exactly where you do. Goodness gracious. All right, so 1.5.
Sorry, 1 second.
That's why I drank something else, because I was supposed to get something too.
Round to 1 decimal point. Oh, your child's so cute.
I'm like, okay.
Except he grabs everything in sight.
Yeah, I have roommates that do that.
That's worse.
It's not good when people who are older than 5 do that.
Right. Exactly. Okay, so we did, that was 5, right?
Yes, that was 5.
Okay, so now we're doing all this data right here.
Yes.
So
Use the
Body temp.
following values which were pulled from the data file body temp. Copy and paste them into the software you are assigned to use. Use the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Okay, so this was a little bit confusing to me, but as far as I understood, we're supposed to pull up the body temp, but the body temp is an Excel file.
So yeah. So I just copy pasted the information into Excel, and
You
then
already did that.
what would confuse me a little bit is I feel like it didn't really walk us through in the textbook how to do it.
Right.
So what I did, so actually my husband helped me with a little bit of showing me how to do Excel stuff, but we didn't get very far. So
So feel a little bit better. No, I'm just kidding.
yeah,
I think it's great that you have.
I got
It's
second number 9. So so when you go into Excel, because your Excel works, right?
Yeah, my Excel works, and my SPS does too, because I'm on another computer. So I'm Google hanging out here, and then I'm on this computer over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I plugged all the data into the Excel, and then asks what X bar is, and so that's just getting the mean, right?
Right.
So my husband just like we highlighted, he went to the next cell, put equal, and then started typing average, and then it brings up like a pop up, and you can click on average, and then you highlight all the cells that you want to get the mean of. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So you highlighted all of column B.
Is that what it is? Yeah, I guess, because I didn't pull it up. I didn't actually pull up the file that they had. I just pasted all this into Excel.
I just pulled up the file because I figured I didn't know what else to do.
Well, I didn't even. It's a file, and yeah, I think it's just. I think it's the exact same thing. It's just I was lazy and you weren't.
All right. So after you highlighted the file, you. Oh, hang on. There's a lot of numbers here. Oh, there we go.
Stop it.
So then you highlight all of the things.
Yeah.
And then, crap, where did it go? Crap, that's not it. I need to go back. Okay, that's not where I need to go either. Okay, so to find the mean, I'd have to go to do the formula, right?
Can you see my Excel or not?
I can, yes. Well, I could for a minute. It'll come back when you talk, though.
Is it not? Is it working?
Yeah, it works. It's just when I talk, it goes away because it shows me my face.
Oh, that's funny. Okay, so like right here is X bar. So for that, he like typed in equals and then typed in average, and then it popped up. So he went like, I don't even know what equals is. Equals, whoops. Equals, and then he went like this. Like that. And then he clicked this. And then he went like this. And then he said enter. And then it gave him the value.
Okay.
But that doesn't look like the right value, so I don't know what I did wrong.
Are there like, do you have like 149 in your column?
No, I only have 20.
Oh, crap. I don't think they're the same one then. All right, well, then there's probably a reason you're supposed to copy and paste. Okay. Use the following values which we pulled from. Oh, so the one on our homework then. No,
Yeah.
those are only 15. What?
I just, whatever is right here, that's what I copy pasted.
Oh, duh. Just the ones on the test. Yeah, you know, I'm such a brilliant child.
You are
Okay.
brilliant. I think you're brilliant.
Thank you. I appreciate that. All right, so stop that. I need to. Okay. Why can't I double click this?
My phone.
Hmm.
Delete this.
Okay, well that's good. But
I'm gonna try it again. Average.
yeah. All right. Okay, so I need. You did it.
I think I did it. Yeah, I did it right.
That's awesome. Okay, I am now to the part where I copy and paste something, so this is exciting for me. There we go. Perfect. Ah, crap. They all pasted in A.
That's okay.
It is?
Like as like one column.
Well, sorry. They all pasted in A1.
Oh, like across.
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah. Okay, let's try this again.
I bet you could still do it okay though. It's
Even
okay.
if they're.
Kaboom.
Okay, let's just. No, stop it. Stop it. Just stop it. Ah, crap. Just stop it. Okay. All right, so when you copied and pasted, is there a way to paste it so that it pastes in all the little columns?
I don't know. I just like. I feel like
Paste special.
I didn't do anything special. I just pasted it in there.
There we go. Okay. All right. I think I got it. Okay, so at the number 22 line, that's where you go in and paste, do the, oh crap. That's not good. 1 second. There we go. Okay, so at the 22 little line, that's where you type in the equals average thing.
Yeah, you could do it there. I did it. Yeah, just so you could, so you know where it is. You know what I mean?
Yeah. All right, so it gave me question mark and name, so I must have forgot to highlight stuff. I did.
Yeah,
Okay.
that happened to me different times. I clicked, I did the equals. You do equals, and then you type average, and you click average, and then it says average, and then it has a parenthesis, and then you highlight your data, and then you close it off with another parenthesis, and then you click enter.
Oh my land. I'm too stupid for classes like this. Equals average. Nope.
Did it not work?
No. All right. So I highlighted my, oh, I'm repeating somehow. Let me take this off.
It's probably me.
Oh, okay. I'm not repeating anymore. That's important. I can understand that. No worries. All right, so I highlighted the things, then I go up to the FX bar, and I don't delete 98, I leave it, right?
Did you get 98.2?
I just got 98, because I haven't gotten an answer yet. I just highlighted the column to type it in, because when I typed it in last time, it just gave me a name question mark, so I did something wrong.
Okay, let me. I am no expert in Excel, so no guarantees.
Oh yeah, man, me either. Me either. Oh, not column.
Okay, so you did, like you did this, right? Got that, right?
I tried that. Let's try that again. equals average. Okay, and then what? You put something in the parentheses.
So you highlight this like that. All your data that you want in there, you highlight it,
Okay.
and then you close off your parentheses.
Okay.
Did it work?
98.22. Yes, it did work.
Cool. So that is our answer for 6.
Yeah.
So now we have to figure out S, and that's the standard deviation for the sample. So,
Right.
So you go to Excel again,
Okay.
and you do the equals again,
Okay.
and then you start typing standard deviation. I don't know if standardized is the right thing. 1 second. Hold on, Cameron. Okay. I don't know how Spencer did standard deviation.
Yeah. Check something out.
So highlighted on the other one.
All right, I googled it. It says you're supposed to type in STDEV.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try that and see if it works.
Okay.
Oh gosh, there's a lot of different ones. I think we just want that.
I know. Okay. So you're supposed to do the S version.
Oh, the F version?
So STDEV dot S, that's the one that we're doing because we're trying to find S.
That's right. That makes sense. All right, did you get 0.922011153?
Yeah.
Cool. Makes me feel better about my whole life. Round to 3 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. So 0.922.
Yep. That's what I have. I hope that's right. I hope I'm like not telling you wrong.
Hey, the best thing is if we get it wrong, we both get it wrong.
We get it wrong together. So the next one is like finding the p-value.
Yeah, the t-score.
I was like, or yeah, after the t-score one. The
Did you
t-score
do
one,
the t-score one?
the stuff, but I don't know if I got the right answer. I got a negative answer.
So it's the same thing for the equals t. Just type in the, is it student t? I guess I should put this in here.
For the formula,
Yeah, for the formula.
the formula that we did for number 5, like the t equals x bar minus b over s divided by the square root of n.
Oh, okay, so you don't have to do anything with Excel then.
No, not for this one, I don't think. Not that I don't think we do. I think we just have to plug it in because the t-score
Okay.
formula.
I get with that.
I don't know, maybe.
Oh, there is a t distribution if we want to use it.
On the SPSS, right?
On Excel.
Oh, there is.
Yeah. It's TDIST.
Hmm.
Let me try it and see if I got the same thing as you.
Yeah.
Not enough arguments were entered for this function. Yeah, I don't think you can use that. Fair enough. Fair enough. All right.
Just kidding. Just kidding.
JK. All right, so we know our x is 98.22 minus 94. There it is. Minus the mu. No, not the mu, the s. No, yeah, the mu. Which we already found on homework.
Do you remember how to do p-values?
I really should, but I don't.
Which is not good because I know it's going to be on the test. I just can't remember. Like, I remember how to test it with the p-value. Like, I remember how to test it with the p-value, but I don't remember how to get the p-value.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This is why I don't like math.
Yeah, I don't like math. Every time I am here for this class, I sit there and think to myself, I'm too stupid for this.
How many more math classes do you have to take for your degree?
This should be my last one.
Yeah, this is my last one too.
So if I can pass it, you know, I might have a chance graduating. Minus equals that.
How many semesters do you have?
We need to divide. What?
How many, are you like in your last semester right now?
No. My schedule's kind of messed up because I was off track, then came back from my mission, and then I came and joined in track early because I was going crazy. But then I'm not going to go for 2 tracks because I'm going to Europe and all this stuff. So I don't know.
Ruby?
It's kind of messed up. I don't know. Yeah. 922 divided by square root of something. All right, what did you get for the T-score?
Let me look. I got negative 1.843.
You got negative 1.84?
Yeah.
Yes, I did too.
Okay, good.
I could cry.
I don't know if I did it right. I was like, I don't know if I'm doing it right.
I don't either, but I'm just really happy that we got the same thing for once. All right. Did you get 0.843?
Yep.
Okay. All right. So let me see if I can remember how to find the p-value.
Trying to look for it, but it doesn't show us, I don't think, on this lesson how to find the p-value. I'm trying to. Was it last lesson? It wasn't this last lesson, was it?
No, I think it was last unit.
That's what I
I
thought
could be
too.
wrong, but I think it was.
I think you're right. You're right. Dang it.
No.
I don't think it's hard to do. I just can't remember how to do it. Okay, so p-value is the probability of obtaining a test statistic such as z. So p-value is the probability that we would get Maybe for that if it's extreme and more extreme. Okay.
Find the p-value. And statistics.
So it's determined using the alternative hypothesis.
Find the p-value, look up into the appropriate distribution in this case. Standard normal z distribution. Find the probability that z is beyond p-value. All right, so it's talking about how the p-value, so these were like the right-tailed test and the two-tailed and the one-tailed, like all that crap.
Right.
That was the p-value stuff. It's the probability that we would observe a test statistic greater than or less than or equal to or one of those things.
How do we find it?
I have no idea. I don't even remember going over that.
I mean, I remember doing stuff with the p-value, but I don't remember
Do
finding
we come
it.
back to that one because we've only got 15 minutes?
Yeah, let's come back. Well, and then what's the correct decision based on evidence? I don't know.
Ah, crap, I don't know.
You need the p-value to be able to decide that.
All right, so we'll come back to this.
The next one, and worst comes to worst, we'll just email back and forth if we have to.
Yeah, we could do that for sure.
Just figuring, because we can save it and then just kind of come back to it when we have time and email back and forth to kind of collaborate and work on stuff together.
Definitely,
So
yeah.
as long as we're working together on it, it's not an issue.
Yeah, I think so. I think that'll be fine. Because I'm broadcasting this video, so I'll put this one on there because he can see that we've been working on it. We're pushed for time. We don't have a whole lot of time.
He says he usually only watches a portion of it to make sure we're participating. So
With our luck, he watches the portions where we're talking about our lives.
probably. I always get good grades on him, so
I think he wants us to be friends. It's okay.
yeah.
All right.
Awkward if we weren't
Right.
trying to get to know each other.
All right, so I think number 11 is really similar to number 5. So use the following values which were pulled. These values are the wait time, blah, blah, blah. Copy and paste them into the software you are assigned to use. And then we find the same answers. So we got to copy and paste again.
Okay, copy and pasted. What's the next question? Okay. The first alternative hypothesis is mu is not important. And you use a level of significance of 0.01. Oh, it's another p-value one. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry.
How many? It's another p-value one?
That's another p-value one. And then 13 is, did the p-value increase or decrease? What did it mean? Blah, 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 blah.
Well, that sucks.
How long have we been on? Have we been on for like 40 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, I say this is what we do. I say we call it what we have because we collaborated on up to number 8. I say we research separate what to do to get the p-value, and then once we know how to get the p-value, we can work through it, and then we can email or meet up really quick, impromptu maybe.
Yeah.
And just compare our answers before we submit it.
I think that's fine.
And if either one of us can't figure out, then we can explain it or whatever. So that's the whole point. But I mean, all of them are having to do with the p-value, and I cannot remember how to do p-value for the life of me. And I'm looking at this.
Yeah, I can't remember either. We're not going to get very far if we don't remember.
I mean, I remember comparing. I know we need to compare like the 0.01 or whatever that in this question to the p-value.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know what to plug it into to get that.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's call
it a night, and then just try and, I guess, do our best as far as just. I mean, maybe Saturday night. I don't know. When do you have time?
Saturday night might work for me. Friday night's not good for me, but Saturday night might work.
Yeah, tomorrow night I'm trying to like squish all my homework in one night, so that'd be really hard. Because normally I squish a lot of my homework in on Thursday, but I had like class meeting after class meeting today.
Mm.
So nothing's getting done. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand totally.
So maybe we can shoot for Saturday night.
Let's shoot for that. And if anything changes, then we'll let each other know.
That sounds like a plan. Let's do that. I feel
All right.
bad because I feel like we're just like, I feel like I'm like making you.
Yeah, seriously.
He wants to be home, but I don't really care.
All right. I wish you luck with your group meeting, Shuri.
Have fun.
Thank you. Bye.